Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Art Whisperer 88. On your screen I have some scrap copy paper and I'm going to proceed to do some warm-up exercises. I'm doing my circles, different sizes, different shapes. I find that doing this kind of gets me ready to do the creative process. Kind of like loosens me up. I can do small ones and large ones. I can also do ovals. So you can see I'm reusing scrap paper, kind of something that would be recycled anyway. Okay, this one I will do just a series of curved lines. So on your screen you will see a whole series of exercises. These are warm-up exercises done with black paint on scrap copy paper, and these serve double purpose. The first purpose is to do a warm-up exercise. And the second purpose is these will come in handy as collage elements for my monoprints. So anyway, you can try this at home before you do any kind of artwork. They may not have to be circles, they could be squares or any shape you like. But I find that doing a shape repetitiously, it warms up your mind, it warms up your hand. So when you decide to start making artwork, somehow the process goes easier and faster, and you have more confidence. So I'll be right back. And finally, it's this piece here that resembles a number 8. It's a piece of my warm-up exercise, and I think it will look good here, just as contrast of white against the black background. And hopefully the glue will dry invisibly. Yeah. So this is the first print. Okay, so this will be the black version, the jelly plate print. This is the one with the black background and the bubble wrap textures. Let me do a close-up. And then I will move on to the other piece, which was done with this silicone mat. So I'm going to air dry this. I'll work on this piece. So again, these are my warm-up exercises here. And there's a large piece of copy paper. I think it will work here. So I'm gonna start by mounting this piece down here. Like so. And this is a fragment of a stencil. Then this larger piece, I think, is gonna go up here. Like so. Just to give a nice contrast of plain white space against this very busy background. And lastly, this goes right here. So this is a really graphic statement. Since there's no color involved, this is purely graphic design. There. So this is the piece that was done by the silicone mat. Right there. And once this air dries, the sheen of the glue will disappear. So I will show you the pieces when they're dry. I'm going to recap and show you the finished product. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here's a recap of the gel plate print that was done with the bubble wrap textures. So here's the finished product, and this is completely dry. And here's the gel. As you can see, the bubble wrap and the scribbles give it a very complex and interesting background. And then here is the piece done with the silicone mat, and it has an overall texture with the bubble wrap, and I overlaid the copy paper and the warm-up exercise on top. So this is the image, and here's a close. Although, in my opinion, the silicone mat is no match for the jelly plate, it's capable of producing these interesting textures. So, I think in a pinch, when you don't have access to a jelly plate, especially the larger plates are quite expensive. They're over $100. Maybe it would be fun to improvise with a silicone mat and experiment and explore. So anyway, I hope you like this demonstration of comparison of different prints with different media, silicone mat and a gel plate. And I hope to see you next time.